September is the month when a wardrobe loses certainty. A coat feels premature, yet a bare summer outfit can suddenly look unfinished. The answer is not a fall reset. It is 10 small formulas that change the temperature of clothes you already own. I have grouped 50 outfits by the mechanism doing the work, so do not copy every piece. Notice the frame, the layer, the weight, or the interruption. Those are the decisions that make an outfit feel current now. First, keep the light base and deepen only its outer frame. Here the blue shirt and denim remain completely seasonless. The olive jacket deepens the frame, while the tan bag and flat keep the transition light. A pale blue shirt and sand trousers still red as summer. The snakeskin bag adds depth and pattern, so the sandal can stay for now. Nothing underneath is distinctly autumnal. Cream tee, black trouser, simple flat. The camel trench supplies the season in one clean, removable rectangle. This is the warmer version. A black knit anchors cream trousers, and the camel blazer turns a light base into September without adding bulk. White trousers do not need to disappear. A substantial black jacket and white flats create enough visual weight. The contrast makes the white look intentional. Second, keep the summer dress or skirt, change only its finish. A summer polka dot dress gains a clear outer boundary from the trench. Closed black flats echo the dress, so the coat never feels pasted on. The white dress stays light, but brown boots and the knit carried at the shoulder change its temperature. This is transition, not premature layering. A gray tee with a white full skirt works because the black ballet flat finishes the lower line. Only the shoe needs to become more definite. The slip dress becomes daytime September with a classic cream car coat, socks and loafers. The dress stays visible. The practical frame does the work. A black column dress needs very little. A cream blazer, black loafer, and grounded tote. The contrast makes it polished without making it formal. Now add one working layer, something removable that has a clear job. The gray knit olive trouser and white sneaker are already easy. A camel knit worn over the shoulders becomes the working layer and repeats the bag's warmth. A light stone jacket with a dark collar frames a black column underneath. The jeweled Mary Jane adds finish, but the jacket carries the seasonal message. This tobacco jacket does two jobs. It warms the white tee and makes the outfit look finished. That color and shape gives familiar black jeans new proportion. The tan zip jacket is short enough to reveal the striped tee and waistband. Jeans remain relaxed, loafers and belt quietly repeat the jacket's warmth. A russet suede jacket over a white tee is the fastest temperature change here. Denim remains untouched, and the mesh flat prevents the outfit becoming heavy. If you prefer tailoring, place one authoritative line over an ordinary base. A chocolate blazer turns a white tee and blue jeans into an authored outfit. The baseball cap keeps the tailoring from becoming office wear. Camel blazer, white tee, black trouser. The formula is familiar. What updates it is the full trouser length and the small controlled sling back. The black blazer is belted rather than left loose, creating one held point above relaxed jeans. A pointed sling back repeats that sharper line below. Here the tailored line is long. Chocolate knit, camel trouser and black shoe sit quietly inside the deep brown coat, creating one uninterrupted frame. Pale gray tailoring works as a column, not a pile of matching pieces. Brown bag and black opera flat add contrast without breaking the calm. A shorter top layer can reorganize volume without changing the clothes below. The cropped black jacket finishes exactly where the very wide jean begins. That clear junction is why the volume looks deliberate, not simply oversized. A short brown jacket contains the upper half, while checked trousers carry the interest below. Burgundy shoes repeat the warmth without introducing another story. This soft brown jacket ends high against exceptionally wide denim. The small patterned bag provides detail, but proportion is what makes the outfit current. A tied short trench creates the held line. Tailored long shorts continue vertically. Dark socks with white pumps make the unusual hem feel considered. The waistcoat shortens a long white shirt without hiding it. Gray trousers extend the line below, turning 3 relaxed pieces into a clear hierarchy. Now change the frame near the face or hold one point at the upper body. A black V-neck knit over a white tee closes the upper frame without crowding the face. Straight denim loafer and burgundy bag do the rest. The charcoal cardigan and camel trouser are quiet, but the closed dark center gives the outfit authority. Red shoes are the only deliberate interruption. A forest knit over a crisp white collar changes light denim immediately. The neckline does the work. Sneakers are allowed to remain practical and ordinary. This taupe knit has enough density to hold its shape above fluid white trousers. The defined top keeps a very pale outfit from dissolving. An all-black outfit avoids heaviness by holding only the waist and shortening the trouser. Pointed shoes keep the silhouette precise, not bulky. For surface and print, let one material lead and make the rest quieter. Gray tailoring could look severe, but a narrow scarf becomes both belt and collar signal. The soft knot holds the waist without stiffening the suit. Butter satin leads here. Cream trousers stay matte, while the black woven bag and kitten heel give the shine a boundary and a practical finish. Chocolate knit and satin midis share one color family but not one surface. Matte above, reflective below. This is why the combination feels rich, not busy. This look is almost Formula 4. Inside my Fall 2026 wardrobe edit. One rich surface with matte companions. The guide includes 10 complete formulas, the 7 changes that matter this season, and the purchases to leave in the shop. If you want the full decision system, it is at trendspottedfashion.com/fall 2026. I have placed the link below. Leopard remains above the waist and everything else stays black. Puff sleeves add scale, but disciplined collar prevents the surface from taking over. Leopard trousers occupy one zone and stop. A black knit and cropped jacket control the top, while brown shoes connect to the print's warm ground. Next, update denim and trousers through their hem, shoe, or finish. The leather jacket and burgundy tee deepen ordinary jeans, while mesh Mary Janes lighten the finish. Weight enters at the top, air remains at the foot. A cream jacket over navy trousers feels transitional because the striped scarf gathers the palette. Sneakers keep the column mobile rather than overly polished. An all-cream tailored base becomes September through one oxblood pointed shoe. No coat, no knit, no extra color, the finish changes the temperature. Blue shirt and jeans are not new. The deliberate belt, suede tote, and pointed tan shoe are. 3 warm details turn denim into a work-ready September uniform. If you would like the quieter variations and the more experimental combinations, I have made a separate members-only edit with 29 additional September outfits. It is already in the Members tab. A current interruption is small, deliberate, and confined to one zone. The red cardigan is the interruption. The gingham dress, black bag, and Mary Jane simply support it. One strong color makes the whole look feel intentional. A trench and white trouser hold the neutral field. Bright red sandals interrupt only at the foot, keeping the outfit lively while the weather is still mild. Cream knit and black shorts stay graphic and simple. The silk scarf adds movement near the face, while loafers give bare legs a more September finish. The black knit and tobacco trouser are calm enough for a printed neck scarf. Because the pattern is small, it reads as punctuation rather than theme. The leopard coat is louder, so the base becomes simpler: denim, black bag, quiet shoes. When the surface leads, every companion piece lowers its voice. Finally, these are the quiet, practical finishers for work, travel, and ordinary days. For an ordinary day, a trench over stripes and black trousers is enough. White sneakers keep it useful. The woven bag preserves a last trace of summer. An oversized white shirt, pale denim, and sandals remain light. The brown knit at the shoulders adds September depth and is ready when temperature drops. White shirt, navy trouser, black loafer, nothing performs a trend. The tan tote adds warmth, proving that current can come from proportion and finish alone. A gray knit over white tee and black trousers is the reliable version. The cognac tote provides temperature. Loafers make the simple hem feel complete. This pale butter jumpsuit uses shape as its signal. Rolled sleeves, a broad belt, and full leg. Brown accessories keep the color sophisticated, not sugary. September dressing becomes easier when you stop asking whether an outfit is summer or fall. Keep the base, change one relationship, frame, layer, weight, or signal. Copy the mechanism, not the wardrobe. The Fall 2026 guide is linked below, and the 29 Look Members edit is in the Members tab. Which of these 10 formulas solves your most repeated September problem?